Welcome to Places Beyond Words. Today we're taking you to the heart of the Swiss Alps. We find ourselves surrounded by the breathtaking landscapes of the Swiss Alps Jungfrau Aletsch region, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that truly captures the essence of alpine majesty. Dominating this area are the iconic peaks of the Jungfrau, the Aletschhorn, and the Beechhorn. And stretching over 23 kilometers, we have the mighty Aletsch Glacier, the longest in the Alps, a river of ice flowing through the rugged landscape. For thrill seekers, this region is an adventurer's paradise. Imagine ice trekking and glacier hiking, stepping out onto ancient ice and exploring a landscape shaped over thousands of years. It's a way to experience the raw, icy beauty of Switzerland like nowhere else. But adventure isn't the only path to enjoy this region. For a more serene journey, hop on one of the scenic railways. The Jungfrau Railway takes you through tunnels and up mountains, revealing panoramic views of Switzerland's untouched wilderness. No matter your pace, the Jungfrau Aletsch region offers a truly unforgettable alpine experience.